Leaving so soon, here's the best way to move out. When you're getting ready to check out a Capri apartment, or really any furnished apartment that you may be using, you want to make sure that you're doing the following things, because even after you leave, if you're not attending to these particular things, you could end up with some charges that you weren't expecting. First off, when you're finished packing, go ahead, check all of your drawers and your closets to make sure you're not leaving anything behind. Why is that important? Well, if you leave something behind and you need us to ship it, we have to charge you shipping to send it to you. Otherwise, it becomes part of what we throw away. And no one wants to deal with shipping fees, neither you nor us. Secondly, what you want to do is you want to be sure that you are checking the refrigerator as well as the cupboards for any foods you might be leaving behind. Perhaps you're thinking, well, I'm going to leave this behind for the next person. Our rule of thumb is we can't have anything left behind that we have not put in the apartment for you. So make sure you take those things out, including those science projects that you may have working in the refrigerator, because our housekeeping team will have to clean them out. And if they do, there is a charge. And like I said before, you nor us want to deal with those ugly charges. The last thing you want to make sure that you do is check for your trash. This trash can is nice and clean. That's the way you want to leave your apartment. Because again, our housekeepers, if they have to take your trash out for you, there's a charge that you will receive after you leave. Now, if you found this video helpful, let us know by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Did we forget something? Go ahead, put it in the comments and we'll respond. Ciao!